Okay, hi guys, welcome back to one more session. So now we are starting with HackerRank. First, I want you people to create an account in HackerRank. How to create is go for developers. Okay, click here. Then once you go for developers, it will ask you to log in. Just log in. Just log in using the Gmail account. Okay, just log in using the Gmail account. Okay. Now, one second, there's a message. So revise all the methods once again. Yeah, sure. Is it clear? Now see here, what we will do is you have to go to problem solving. This is what we will be doing. DSLva. We'll be solving the question problem solving. I have already done a lot of questions, but I am going very easy. We will start with easy type of questions. One second. Okay. Shall we start? There are different types of questions, but we will solve one by one. Let's start. Mm, 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 mm. Okay. See, yeah, let me show you the interface. Just to show you the interface, I'm going with this program. Okay. Just to show you the interface. Shall we start? Now, please observe, my friends. The first thing is on the top on the left, there is always the question meaning. See, yeah, complete the function, solve me first to compute the sum of two numbers. So, what you have to do? You just have to perform the sum of two numbers. Is it clear? Java. First, let's go for Java. You can pick Java 8 or Java 15, anything is fine. One second. It didn't. Okay. Java students, shall we start? Python, I'll come to you very soon. Okay. First, let me show in Java. See, yeah. The method is to compute the sum of two numbers. Understand? You will not be taking any inputs. All the inputs will be passed as parameters. Got it? You are not taking any inputs. Both in Java and Python, you are not taking any inputs. You are not creating array list. Everything will come automatically. So here, first input is in A, second input is in B. See here. Can you see this here return type? This means you have to return the answer back in integer format. Got it? If you have done first semester ka C programming or Java somewhere, you know that in the method, if there is something called as int, I have to return the answer back in int. If it was float, I have to return the answer back in float. If it was void, I should not return anything. Is it clear, Java students? Is it clear? Now, Python, focus. Here you can see that they have told A is equals to 2, B is equals to 3, sample input is 5. They have told everything. And they have told that you have to return integer, sum of A and B. So can I say, I just have to return A plus B or not? Can I say, I just have to return A plus B or not? But now, be careful. They have told you to return it in integer format. You can, if you want, you can typecast it into int also. This is not needed. Since both of them are int, the answer will be in int only. But sometimes, if this was by chance in float, then you have to typecast it back to int. Is it clear? Is it clear? You have to write only here. You are not supposed to touch the main. See, all the inputs they have taken. Once you have written the program, compile it, run the program. If your program is correct, it will show passed. Is it clear? Then submit the code. If your program is correct, it will accept it. For example, ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾನೀಗ. If the program is correct, it will just accept it. Just give me a second. My internet is slow, I guess. But it should accept. Wow, what an internet. Connect. If your program is correct, it will show congratulations. You can go to the next challenge. No, not needed. But make a standard practice. Whatever you return before that, make a standard practice of giving the typecasting in Java. Okay, Python, you will not have this problem. Is it clear? Java students understood? Inputs you are not taking, inputs are coming by default. The only thing is you have to write the method here. If I go to Python now, same program, if I do it in Python, yellappa nama Python 3. Okay. See a Python, inputs are already given. Can you see? Same thing. Input is already given as A and B. You should see here that you also have to return an integer of the type sum of A and B. So what you will return? You come here, type return A plus B. If you want, you can also typecast it into a integer data type. Is it clear? It's not wrong. This is supported in Python also. And when you run it, you are also getting the same output. Typecasting can be done in Java also. Typecasting can be done in Python also. If I submit it, I am getting the same output. Is it tough or is it easy? Interface, did you understand? Did you people understand the interface? All the inputs are already given. what they're expecting is given. You just have to write the logic. So this is how HackerRank interface works. How many of you got it? How many of you got it? Good, 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 good. Now I will take one problem. We have studied so much about arrays now. Okay. Not this question. Wait. Problems, HackerRank. 1 second. I'll just go there only. There are some problems I want to discuss. Not everything. I don't want to confuse the people for now. Solved. I'll just pick only one simple programs initially so that you get an idea. Simple array sum ಬೇಡ very big sum ಬೇಡ diagonal sum ಬೇಡ plus minus ಬೇಡ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆಯಪ್ಪ ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ. Just give me a second, guys. I'm trying to find it. Not here. Just a second. Okay, here. No, okay, fine. No problem. I'll take it from here only. What's the problem? Okay, a very big sum. Not a very big sum. Wait. I will do this problem now. We are gonna solve the first problem. Simple array sum. Is it clear? Shall we start? This is our first data structure. Shall we start, my friends? Shall we start now? So see here, they have given the input in what data type now? Observe. They have given the input in what data type now? It is a list data type. Can you see it or not? What data type? That is the reason I taught you list input, because in HackerRank and HackerEarth, they are not going to give the input in array format. They are going to give it in list format. Python, you will also be given list only. See, Python students, you are also given the input in AR, and my AR is a list. Understood? It's the an array of integers. Did you understand, my friends? Everybody understood till now? Everybody understood till now? Before that, now write down. Now write down. Accessing the elements, please write down. Accessing the elements of list using loops. Please write down. Accessing the elements of the list using loops. Accessing the elements of the list using loops. Shall we start? Today I will not do any HackerRank questions. Okay, I'm just showing you the concepts. I want you people to practice them first. Then we can do a lot of programs. Shall we start? Ready? Shall we start? So see here, accessing the elements in the loops. Please write on. We have for each loop. Please write on. We have for each loop in both Java and Python. We have for each loop. See in Python first. What you have to do is Python. You have to write for I in A. That's it. What will happen? First time the value of I will be 10. Next time the value of I will be 20. Then 430, 71, 21, 51. That is, if I print the value called as I, every time I will access one element from the list. Here, the value of I itself is the element. Did you get it? Python students got it? This is for each loop. What is for each loop? When you directly want to access the data, you can just use this syntax. For I in A, print I. Is it clear? Java Python students clear? Python clear? Jai Python. Python hudugre. Okay na? Okay na? Shora. Java boys, come here. Java, we are specific. We have to specify the data type. See here. For what is the data type you have given? Integer, give the same. For integer I in A. Can you see the difference? How I am writing? For integer I is the name of the looping variable in A. You can write system dot out dot println. System dot out dot println. Print me the value of I. This time, first time the value of I will be 10, then 20, then 430, then 71, then 21, then 51. Both the outputs are exactly same. Can you see it? Java and Python. Can you see? Both the outputs are exactly same. Both the outputs are exactly same. Did you understand till now? Please say yes. Please say yes. Sure. Sure? Everybody got it? Please say thumbs ups. Good, 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 good. Shall I continue? Now write on. Second type, using index numbers. There's one more. Second type is using index numbers. So here what happens is, see here, write on, write on. In Python, we have a method called as len. In Python, we have a method called as len that gives the size of the list. In Python, we have a method called as len that gives the size of the list. In Java, we have a method called as size, that is a dot size. Java. In Java, we have a method called as size that gives us the size of the array list. Is it clear? That gives us the size of the array list. Is it clear? Java. Python, what is it? Len of a Java a dot size. Now understand, Java students. Please observe. Both of you observe, not one. Both of you observe. Let's start. Java, how we have to do is first create a variable called as I. Index number always starts from 0. For I is equals to 0. I is less than or equals to, remember, if you write size, if you only write size, if there are 6 elements, this will give a value called as 6. Remember? But you know that index number starts from 0. So the last element index number will be 5 only. Size will give you 6. Total number of elements you will get it as 6. But the last element will be 5. So you have to write a dot size minus 1. Is it clear, Java? Why I'm writing minus 1? Because the last index number will be 1 less than the total size. Is it clear? Then I will write I plus plus. It's a whole number sequence. For int I is equals to 0. For int I is equals to 0, I is less than or equals to a dot size minus 1 followed by plus plus. What is the method you already know? That is system dot out dot print. System dot out dot print. You have to write a dot get of I. You remember that, right? Method name. That is the get method we use followed by the index number. When you run this also, you will get the same output. See here. Okay, system dot out dot println. When you do this also, we are getting the same type. Is it clear? But this is based on the index numbers. Yeah, I didn't understand your question. Come back. This is not data. This is just the variable of I. Okay. This is not a wrapper class. Wrapper class is used when you want to access the element. Say I'm not accessing the element. It is just the index number. Clear? Shashidhar. Got it? Yes. Yes. How many of you understood this? Java students got it? How to do it? I is equals to 0. I is less than or equals to a dot size minus 1 followed by a plus plus. This will give the index numbers. Yes, that will also work, H1. Python, see here. You have to use for loop only, but with range method now. Python, you can go like this. Python not to go to the life tumba simple. Python, you can directly write it as for I in range of len of a. What you will write? For I in range of len of a. Is it clear? That's it. Because last element value range method anyways it will not take. Then you can write print a of I. A with index number. You will also get same output. This is how you print using the index numbers. Is it clear? This is how you people print using the index numbers. Is it clear for everyone? Come on, come on, come on, react. This is how you print using the index numbers. Is it clear? Is it clear? Now, 1 second. Google Meet. Google Meet is working or I closed it? Here there is no Google Meet. Here there is no Google Meet. Oh, I have separate one. I have 3 Google Meets. Okay. 1 second. Is it clear till now? Please give me reactions. Everybody understood till now? Introduction is okay. For each loop is okay. Okay, just give me a second. Where is it? Where is it? Just a second. Okay, yes. Just a second. Just give me a second. I'm just trying to find the sum of the things. I'm not getting it. ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. Not here. One second. Yes. अरे. Just a second. Okay, fine. So till now, is it clear for everyone? Till now, is it clear for everyone? Did you understand the introduction part very, very clearly how HackerRank works? HackerRank doesn't work on arrays, it works on list for both Java and Python students. Is it very, very clear? For both Java and Python students, is it very, very clear? Java and Python, is it very, very clear? So, shall I stop the recording of this one also? So, you understood, right, how it is working? Good, good. I'm stopping the recording. Done.